Running a successful gym, it's a real balancing act, isn't it? You're trying to build this amazing fitness community, but at the same time, you're juggling memberships, chasing sales, and just drowning in daily admin tasks. But what if you could flip that script? What if you could turn all that chaos into a super streamlined engine for growth? Well, that's exactly what we're going to look at right now with Pristine Admin. Okay, so this is where it all starts. And yeah, it's a login screen, but it's so much more than that. Think of it as the front door to your entire operation. The clean, simple design, that's intentional. It's all about the clarity and control you're about to get, setting a totally professional tone from the moment you start your day. All right, you're in. Now, what's the first question every single gym owner asks themselves in the morning? It's, how are we doing? Like right now. You need that complete picture, and you need it instantly. So let's see how Pristine Admin gives you that total clarity, all in a single glance. And boom, here it is. This is your command center, your gym's real-time health check. Seriously, forget about digging through messy spreadsheets or trying to piece together reports. Your most important, most critical numbers are right here, front and center. It's the story of your business told in an instant. Let's break it down. First up, your community. 20 total customers. Now, that's not just a number on a screen. That's a direct measure of your gym's influence and its growth. It tells you that people are finding you, they're joining, and your brand is really starting to make its mark. Next, let's talk about the bottom line, sales volume. This number right here is the financial heartbeat of your gym, and it's updated in real time. There's no clutter, no waiting for end-of-day reports. You know exactly how you're doing today, which means you can make smarter decisions on the fly. And then there's this number, 1 active session. Now this is where the data really comes to life. It's not just some abstract entry in a logbook. This tells you who is physically inside your gym working out right now. This gives you the immediate pulse of your facility. It's all about real-time engagement. Okay, so picture this. A potential new member walks in the door. They're excited, they're ready to join. This is a huge moment. Let's watch how Pristine Admin turns this simple interaction into a completely seamless, professional, and profitable sales experience. So your staff pulls up this super clean visual menu of everything you offer. No confusing price sheets, just boom. A monthly pass, a full year with personal coaching, it's all right there. You can see how easy it is to add yearly plan and a coaching session. It makes upselling feel like a totally natural part of the conversation. And then, one click. Done. Payment success. The absolute key here is the total lack of friction. We're talking seconds. The deal is closed, the member is officially signed up, and the money is in your account. No awkward pauses, no clunky machines, just a smooth, professional welcome for your brand new customer. But wait, the system's job isn't over yet. The second that payment goes through, a detailed order record is instantly created. Every single piece of information is logged automatically. This means your financial records are always, and I mean always, perfect. It's accuracy just built right in. So our new member is signed up, which is awesome. But that's really just the beginning, right? Now comes the day in, day out management of your entire community. Let's dig into how Pristine Admin automates these core operations, freeing you up to focus on your members, not the paperwork. Now this is where the real magic happens. On the left, you've got a member's active subscription. You can see when it's valid. On the right, you see their check-in history. The system seamlessly connects the two. That means no more manually checking if someone has paid. The system handles it all. It's just effortless control. And by the way, this isn't just for your members. Your entire gym ecosystem lives right here. Every customer, every trainer, every staff member, all neatly organized in one central hub. This gives you total command over your whole community, and it's all accessible in an instant. A truly great gym isn't just a place with equipment. It's a brand. It's a vibe. And Pristine Admin gets that. It's designed to be more than just a management tool. It's a platform to help you build and scale the fitness empire you've always dreamed of. And check this out. This is a perfect example of what I'm talking about. Your software shouldn't feel generic. It should feel like your brand. With just one click, you can swap between 16 different professional themes. You make sure the experience always matches your gym's unique identity. But what happens when you're ready to think bigger? What if your ambition outgrows just one location? See that little store selector up in the top right? Pristine Admin is built to scale with you. You can manage multiple gyms, multiple locations, all from a single account. Your brand stays unified and your operations stay efficient as you grow. At the end of the day, a tool like this isn't just another expense. It's a strategic investment. It's an investment in your own efficiency, in a better experience for your members, and, most importantly, in the future growth of your business. This is the smart choice for serious owners. So it all really boils down to this one simple question. Where is your time best spent? Are you going to be bogged down in administrative tasks, or are you going to be out on the floor building your community? Are you ready to run your gym smarter, not harder? The path to a more efficient, more profitable, and totally scalable gym is right here. With these clear, straightforward plans, the power to completely transform your business is more accessible than it's ever been. It's time to choose your plan. Your growth is waiting.